Hi everyone, it's Sarah Thummel. I'm here to show you today really quick via a new consultant's website how to activate and deactivate your website. You can do that at any point in your 31 career. It can go on and then you can turn it off if you need. Please keep in mind, if you turn your website subscription off, you cannot share party links with any customers. So it's really helpful when we have a flash sale and things of that nature that you have the ability to share party links so that people can get on right away and order. But let's say that you are a new consultant, you just signed up, you don't really want to start the website right now. So we're going to go to 31today.com, all spelled out. You're going to click on your virtual office. And right now I'm in the virtual office of Raylene, who is a new consultant of mine, and I'm in her account by her permission. So when you're in your back office or virtual office, you'll see this pink bar across the top. And to get to your subscriptions, you're just going to go home subscriptions. And right now, the website is on. She last paid $16.95 on September the 10th. And coming up on October the 10th, which is in 2 days, it will charge her card again. Right now, Raylene does not want to use the website. So we're going to click Manage. And we're going to click Cancel Subscription. If you'll see here, it says subscription is active. And the next one's coming out the 10th. So right now we're going to hit cancel. And are you sure? Yes. That is as simple as it gets. So if you want to reactivate that website, you just click subscribe and enter in your information. All right. So it's as easy as that, turning it on and off. All right. Take care and have a wonderful day.